guess they're too big to play on top of the speaker or the stereo anymore, or whatever it is.
Well, they knocked a whole bunch of DVDs out this morning. Tom put them all back.
Ooh, good job, Georgie. Good job. Form.
Well, definitely the guys in the morning are going to miss him.
Not bad enough to take one, though.
Well, Steve, the school principal, has a Malamute.
Oh my god, those things are huge. You
Yeah.
eat one of these guys for breakfast and then ask for another one.
Literally. And Michael is just too much of a bachelor. Tom already has two mature cats.